Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you a set of two bar stools that this brand sent to me for this video. And I gotta say, don't judge the bar stools for with the height of this kitchen countertop, because this is a very high one. This is a 42-inch kitchen countertop. It's not regular, you know. Most of the kitchen countertops are kind of like 30 inches, 32 inches, 36 inches, maybe not 42. So for this one, I have my own set of bar stools, which are 36 inches tall, like the seat. These ones are 26, but 26 actually. They're gonna be kind of like really good for the regular kitchen countertops, not to the big ones. And by the way, each one of this one that comes in a set of two in white color. You can actually, I think you can select just one or two or three or four or different colors as well. But these ones are the white ones, and I do like to say that this one supports in between 265 pounds and 280 pounds. The other good thing is the frame. It's a very firm and stable firm that is not wood, that is not kind of like cheap aluminum or something like that. It's actually really good metal frame. Okay, check this out. These are really well padded. I will say they're really well padded, so they're gonna be comfortable. It has a high rest right here, a high backrest, so it will give you a comfortable seating position. Right here, they're also gonna be padded, but they're more firm right here on this side. You know, it's not gonna be that cushion as the back support. This is gonna be more firm just to support all that weight. And this is kind of what I was showing before. With the metal frame, you have a footrest, which you're gonna use kind of like to rest your 2 feet in there if you want, or just you can just chill your legs if you want. That's not a big issue. But I do like that it's very firm and very stable. So I do also have to say that the assembly process of this one was quite simple. I think that each unit was probably between 10 to 12 minutes or more than that. So I would say spare 25 or 30 minutes and you will get it done. So if you're looking for good looking, reliable, 26 inches and comfortable leather-ish, I want to say leather-ish kitchen countertops, bar stools, these ones are gonna be kind of like really nice to have, comfortable as well, and modern and stylish with a really nice metal model frame.